too. It's relatively dry. You can tell they probably have a little bit of seepage in the spring, which they did say in the
Yeah, and then,
disclosure, so.
and you've got a lot of snow that comes off that metal roof.
Yeah.
The gutter idea is really good.
Or would the ice just take the gutter down? That's what I'm wondering too.
Okay, so over here is your tank lid.
Okay.
This is for the septic tank. So if the pump stops working,
Gotcha,
the alarm
alright.
will go off.
Gotcha.
That's what that is.
Yep.
Okay.
Right.
Yep.
We're scratching our heads like, what is that?
Then you've got generator hookup.
Yep.
Yeah.
I assume they probably had a portable generator, maybe.
I think there's just an outlet outside.
Yeah.
Probably
Yep.
just a little Honda
Yeah,
generator to
found
keep the
that one.
fridge on.
Yep.
And the pump, of course. And that pump.
And that pump. So you've got a water filtration system. That was the rain on there with this tank.
Yep, this thing.
Yep. Then you've got a water softener.